Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer knowledge base articles from Help Scout to Zendesk, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Help Scout account. Navigate to the knowledge base section in the Help Scout dashboard. Locate the article you want to transfer. Click on the article to open it. Copy the entire content of the article, ensuring that you include all headings and formatting. Next, log into your Zendesk account. Go to the guide section from the Zendesk dashboard. Select the option to create a new article. Choose the appropriate category and section for the article in Zendesk. Paste the copied content into the new article editor. Make sure to format the text as needed, adjusting headings, bullet points, and images. Add any tags that will help categorize the article within Zendesk. Review the article for any errors or adjustments needed for consistency. Once satisfied, click on the Save button to save your changes. Preview the article to see how it appears to users. If everything looks good, publish the article by clicking the Publish option. Repeat these steps for any additional articles you want to transfer. Once all articles are transferred, review your Zendesk knowledge base for completeness. Consider setting up redirects from Help Scout articles to the new Zendesk URLs if necessary. Finally, inform your team about the migration and provide them with any relevant training on the new Zendesk system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.